0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started.
Hello everyone, I hope all of you guys are well. We are in another service call. We came here as a heat pump package unit. It's an office building. It's a very large building. So this unit, a couple things. One, so we came here, we saw that the entire system is both ice. Condenser motor is running, but the blower is not running. The blower is so tight, it's hardly moving. I just turned it a couple times, so it got a little bit loose. So I don't bring any tools. You have a wrench on you? I don't think this one is gonna come out easy. But this is, you can see that it's built W40 nerve wrench. Okay. Exhaust fan right next to the air conditioning system. This exhaust fan, restaurant exhaust fan, is supposed to be 10 feet away from every air conditioning system. I don't know if they had permit on this exhaust fan, and it just shoots the everything I touch like this is oil. Everywhere you see is oil. But when I come to service call like this, I can't carry too many tools because of the ladder. I don't want to get too heavy. I'm getting old, I guess, so I'm kind of scared when I walk up to the flat ladder next to the building. It scares me. Okay, so I got one open. Move the washer. I will save you guys headache. I'm gonna fast forward this part so you see me. Next time you see me, the motor will be out.
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
Check. Ain't nobody stopping me.
Motor out. This is a can't see anything. It's burning up. Capacitor only. Shit. Wow, can't see nothing. So this is what the situation is. You have a motor that you cannot read anything. Everything is burned up. I don't know, unless I washed it and it comes out. A frozen coil. So first thing I do, I replace the motor because the motor is gone. Second, I will clean the indoor coil, outdoor coil, and I use the foam blaster to clean the indoor coil. But for outside, I probably use acid. And then once we clean everything, then we will see the Freon, how is the Freon level. This is a R22 system. Hello everyone. This is a couple days later. came remove the blower motor, and we got a new motor. So today we're replacing the motor capacitor, then we're gonna do a complete service. motor selected. Starting with the ground white. Ground white goes right here.
Got one thing done. So I'm gonna start working on
cleaning the coil. This part is done. Motor is replaced, it's working. And let's check the coil. The coil is really dirty, and that big piece of this was stuck right in the center of the coil, and the reason was freezing was blocked by that piece of insulation. So still, I'm gonna use this product, spray it, and that's the only way we can clean this coil, because I don't have no water in this roof here. There's no holes and water, so we're gonna dry clean it with a foam blaster. Let me open it. I'm gonna hold my phone in my hand, and you can it blasts the dirt. I'll show you guys the magic of this thing. You see that the dirt is just kind of bubbling out, and you see the coil is coming white and clean. What it does is the foam goes in every hole in the coil, and it pulls everything out, like regular foams that you're using for sealing holes. The same thing. You spray it, it goes in, it pops out back, and when it comes out, it takes everything out with itself. Can you put this back on so I can close the coil? So make sure you order your coil cleaner and use it. They sent me this to use it and gave him a review. I gave him a thumbs up. I love it, and this will be my everyday coil cleaning product. Alright, so I'm gonna turn on the system, check the pressure. Everything else is done, so hopefully we don't need no more Freon. I don't think the coil was really dirty. The build ice was from that piece was stuck on the coil. So let me put everything together and turn it on. So I opened the GFI, and look at this, guys. What happened? It completely melted. I don't know what happened. They connected wrong power to it. Instead of 120 volt, maybe they connected to 20. I'm not sure what they did here. So open the wire from the bottom from here. I disconnect the power here. So I'm gonna replace the wires first, and then I check, make sure it's 120 volt. It's not 20. I don't have green wire with me here, so I'm gonna make this open this. Double this from the top. Now it goes this way. So I know this one is green. ground. I don't know why you say green. Yes. Yes. The line part. The load part has this tape on it. Unless you want to go to the next GFI, you connect it to the bottom. Otherwise, you always connect it at the top. So, sorry, forgot to push this way, so you put the cover on. Now the water doesn't go inside. You can lock it too if you want to, but we have a GFI. And I'm gonna check the power here to make sure it's 120 volt, 115 volt before I connect it to this. Can I have the tester, please? The way it burns doesn't look like it was getting that too much power, or I don't know, they connect something really strong to this. I don't know what they did.